Hey guys, this is the part 2 update of my Ola scooter which is dead right now. This is on 20th July and around 12:26 pm the Ola technician came home and called me up. He said he's going to diagnose the scooter and let me know what the problem was. At this time I was not available at the house and he started checking the battery's percentage using his voltmeter. That was the first thing he did by opening the front panel of the scooter.
Very switch on the battery voltage check చేసిన bottom one అయినా 10 వస్తుంది and vehicle switch on
On this call, we can listen to him confirming to his manager that the battery's voltage is 10 on his voltmeter and it's not turning on. Here we can see him cleaning the fuse which is available in the rear side of the scooter and he's trying to clean it and fix it back.
అది టెలిమాటిక్ చెక్ చేసిన అది అన్నేమంటే అన్ని వాల్యూస్ జీరోస్ అయినా ఒక ర్యాట్ బ్యాట్ చెక్ చేయాలి. ర్యాట్ బ్యాట్ అని బ్యాటరీ ఏంటంటే బ్యాటరీ వోల్టేజ్ చెక్ చేస్తే 10 చూపిస్తుంది. కానీ ర్యాట్ బ్యాట్ తెలియలేదు. ఫీజు కూడా డీసీ ఫీజు కూడా మంచిగా ఉంది. ఓపెన్ చేసి చూసిన మరి ప్రాబ్లం ఏమంటే మరి ఇక విధంగా చూసిన ర్యాట్ బ్యాట్ లేదు, డీసీ బాగానే ఉంది, బ్యాటరీ వోల్టేజ్ 10 వస్తుంది. 20 ఒకటి చెక్ చేస్తే కానీ వెహికల్ ఆన్ అవ్వట్లేదు అన్న. 10 వస్తుంది ఫ్రంట్ సైడ్ టాప్ మడమర చెక్ చేసిన.
In this final call, we can hear him confirming that there is no rat bite, the fuse is proper and the battery percentage is also good and the scooter is not turning on. Now we started recording all the values from the voltmeter on his phone and he was sending it to his manager.
ఫ్యూజ్ అయితే బాగానే ఉందా? డీసీ ఫ్యూజ్ కూడా చెక్ చేసిన ఓపెన్ చేసి బాగానే ఉంది. ఇది అన్ని పీడిఎస్ అన్నతో మాట్లాడాను మా సారు. అన్ని హ్యాండిల్ ఒకటి అయ్యా.
At around 1 pm, I got a conference call from his manager and he explained me that the battery percentage was good, no faulty fuse on the scooter and no signs of rat bites. So he confirmed that a van would come and pick up my scooter by end of the day and this process took around 45 minutes. Same day at around 5:26 pm, the Ola's van approached to my house. You can see it was raining very heavily, but even then the team took dedicated efforts to come to my house and make sure to pick the scooter on the same day. Technician who visited in the afternoon made sure to keep the handle of the scooter unlocked. We had to push it a few meters till the van as there was a small construction patch going on. పట్టుకోవాలా? Finally, loading was done successfully. I always recommend or at least request Ola service people to send a Ola service van, not the towing trucks. This is the safest way to transport your scooter to any given destination. We've seen many tweets where people have complained about their scooters getting damaged when the towing truck team handled their scooter. So always request them to send a van, not a towing truck. రైట్ వాళ్ళే చేస్తారు. మాకు స్లిప్ ఏమి ఇవ్వరా? మీ వాట్సాప్ పంపిస్తాను. అదే నంబర్ కదా? కావాలా గొడుగు? తీసుకో తీసుకో పర్లే. నేను ఇంకోటి తీసుకుంటే తీసుకో. అవసరం లేదా? సరే. 20th July 5:40 pm, the Ola scooter was picked up from my house. Let's see how long it takes. The very next day after the pickup, which is 21st July, Sudarshan from Narayanguda branch called me up and confirmed at 6 pm that there is no technical issue with the software of the system of the Ola scooter and they are yet to check hardware the next day. Stay tuned for the last part of this video guys, where I will probably put all the details on what this Ola service team did to revive my scooter back to life and what was the major problem for this.